Hello everyone, this is Tanishk Rathore, roll number 21CE30030 from section 6. Today, in the third assignment of DIY, I'll be disassembling this Bluetooth speaker and will show its components from which it is made from. Let me show this, how it looks. First of all, let me show that this Bluetooth speaker is fully working and in operation. Now as I played a beautiful tune on this, it shows that it is fully working. And now let's get begin and open this. I'll be choosing a multi-purpose screwdriver. Now I'm going to open this. I have unscrewed it. Now I'll be opening it from this side. First of all, let's switch it off. Do it very carefully, otherwise then the component will be damaged. First of all, we have to disconnect the connections, then only the other part will come out. Now it can easily be removable. Yeah. So you can see that inside of this big speaker, there was only just two components, and this was the case, and the main components are just these two. This one is speaker, from where the sound comes, and this is the battery pack and motherboard of the speaker. So let's further open this. As you may see, I have unscrewed it to the full extent. Now let's also open this battery pack and motherboard. As you may see now, we have completely disassembled this Bluetooth speaker. Now I will demonstrate you what are the uses of these components and how does they work. So first of all, let's get started with this motherboard. This board contains multiple electrical components. Let me explain some of them. Here you may see this. This is the USB connector from which we can connect USB or our data cable from which we can play songs directly without internet connection. This component is used to connect aux, and here you may see this. This is the charging port from where we used to connect charger. These are buttons. As you may can see from here, these are buttons. This is LED, and this is on-off switch. Also, it contains many capacitors, resistors, and many transistors. Here you may see this chip. This chip is used for Bluetooth connections from which we can play song wirelessly from our phone directly. Now let's move to the other component. As you may see here, this is a 3.7 volt battery which is 1500 mAh. Roughly, if I play this speaker, it goes for 8 to 9 hours without charging. So it is a pretty good amount of battery, which is 1500 mAh and which provide 3.7 volts. This is a connector by which we can connect battery to the motherboard. Now let's move to the other component, in which is our speaker from which the sound comes. And here you may see this is the main speaker from which the sound comes, and it's very loud. Here you may see it consists of a large magnet, and also there is one device which produces sound, and this cone shaped type thing, this amplifies the sound. Also we have one connector here to connect it to the motherboard. All these other material here is just made up of plastic and provides support to the speaker and give its shape to it. Here we also have buttons by which we can pause, play, mute or skip the songs. So these were the components of the Bluetooth speaker and we disassembled it. Now time to reassemble it. So let's do it. We'll be reassembling in the way we deassembled it. This motherboard is fixed completely. Now time for the speaker. All the internal components are reassembled. Now let's put them together to make the speaker again. Let's do it. We have to put this power cable in this red plug. The speaker went in correctly. Now we have to connect the speaker cable to the red plug in this motherboard. As you can see, we have completed all the connection. Now time to put this inside. Now before screwing it back again, let's check whether it's working or not.
The Bluetooth device is ready to. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
As you can see, it's working perfectly. Now turn this off. Let's complete all the screws. As you can see, the speaker is new back again. Now let's test it whether it's working or not.
The Bluetooth device is ready to. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
As you can see, it's working properly. Let's play some song on this to test it. As you can see, it's working properly. No issue in the sound quality. So now, time to say goodbye. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you.